Okay guys, we're going to play a little Sesame Street with the lab scope today. Which coil current ramp doesn't look like the other five? So I had this Nissan in. I couldn't get to the rear three coils because they're under the intake, but I really suspected we had a bad coil. So I found the power wire to the coils, current ramped them, triggered it with one of the front coils, and then obviously you can see number one is the one that doesn't look like the others. So I found my bad coil. Really a fantastic tool, that current clamp, and it was easy to trigger with the ignition. So just another one of those easy ones. Thought I'd share. Have a nice day.